Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the how to create the part, okay, and using the CATIA. Then how to run a simple stress analysis. This is the simple stress analysis in a rectangular tube, okay. The first step in this process is go to start, take a mechanical design, then click on a part design, then part name enter, then ok, then take any plane, xy plane, then click on sketch, okay, then take a center rectangle here, then again okay. The next step is select the sketch toolbar and then workbench on the right side and select the YX plane and then use the sketch. This provide the creative object. In this case, I am using the rectangular tools and to create a geometry, and then I will take a dimension. This rectangle is 1 mm, okay. So take a length is, click on 1 mm and then control press and mouse scroll and then zoom this dimension and then this dimension. Once take here and 1 mm, okay, and then also resize this rectangle, okay, and then take a distance here and here 0.125, okay, and then this distance, click, then 0.125, okay. This geometry is ready, okay. See this, okay. This geometry is ready. Here 1, arrange this dimension, okay, this way, and then execute the sketch. A sketch is fully defined when the sketch is all the lines are green. Now we can exit the sketch and mode, sketch mode, and then select the pad option. This is the pad. Add the material in the 2D sketch, okay. This will help the, and then take a dimension as, now you can exit the sketch and then take a dimension 20, okay. Then the tools from the your choice you will take as per your requirement, 20, this way. After the hitting the OK, CATIA is created a 3D model of the pad. In order to keep the part material property, this is the, here apply the material this way, click here and then take a metal. First, how to apply the material in any part. First you will click the part, okay, then apply material, click on aluminum, then apply material, then okay, this way. Okay, the material from the, in order to keep the part material property, and we choose the apply material from the top of the screen, and we choose the first, and then first material you will apply, then okay. And now you can choose the, if you're not showing, you can here apply the shading with material, then here this way, this form, then when we apply this shading with material here, okay, then your material will be shown. Okay, as you can see the part material of the properties of the aluminum. Okay, then start here, start, then okay, then analysis simulation, then analysis simulation, generative structure analysis I will take. Okay, then take a start, and then take a new analysis case, then a static analysis, then okay. Okay, this way. Then okay, after the heating, okay, you'll see this is the mesh structure. So selecting the size, the this double click, and the you will find this size. Change the mesh size of the your requirement, selecting the smallest size, getting the more accurate value, and also you provide the more accurate value. So when you ever selecting the size of the small, so achieve the more greatest value. So I will take the value mesh size is 0.25. Okay, then apply okay, this is the mesh size. Okay, here, then apply the tool clamping. First you will clamp, and then you will apply the load. Okay, so here you will apply the clamp. You need to okay, then you apply here. First you will select where you apply the inside here. First you will select the edge, and then apply this. Okay, this is the okay, then apply the distributed load. Okay, so apply the load here. Distributed load is here. Okay, then you will apply the distributed load. Okay, so here, no, this is the wrong. So apply, first you will select, and then apply here. face you can apply here. Then apply the load here and then compute all. Okay. Okay. Yes. And CATIA will be extract the two more. Make sure the analysis is not used to much more memory. So next is select the deformation icon. Deformation, and then deformation icon, view the result for the force of the part. As you can see the part here, this is the deformation. Here you will see the deformation. See, this is the deformation part here, how much your part will be deformed, and then you can see the part. And now next the switch on the suddenly with the material view and run. Material view and then run. And then run. See. Okay. And now next, BOM is stress. BOM is stress here on the part. The color map addition, the more here, click, double click, and then more, and then you can apply decimals, apply, then okay, and then displacement this way. See here the form of decimals. Click here, double click, then go to average ISO, okay, and then here this is the deformation. See here, your steel bar will deform much more area. This is the deformation. More deformation are here. Okay. This root zone. Double click, and as you can see, this is the how to run a stress analysis with the help of a CATIA. Thanks for watching.